Everyone asks me, how do I know if Facebook and Instagram ads will work for my business, Quajo? Listen, if you click on this episode because you were hoping Meta ads, Facebook and Instagram ads would fix a broke business that's not already working well organically, well, that's the problem right there. Jesus, my friend, saves. Facebook and Instagram ads do not. The key is having a business that's already performing well organically with at least two out of the three things, that we can talk about later on in this episode. I will share those. And then when that's true, ads aren't so much as a gamble. They're more like a fuel that amplifies what's already working. So today in this episode, I'm going to break down the three ad components that when they work together will make your business profitable. They tend to make funnels profitable in a very predictable way. My best clients have at least two of these components, if not all three, working in their business. Facebook and Instagram ads powered by me. Do I power Facebook and Instagram ads? You know what I'm saying. Welcome back to the Art of Online Business podcast. So, the first component that you need is a lead magnet. The second component that we'll talk about will be a repeatable launch system. And that third component that you want to have in your business is a low ticket offer funnel. Now, if you have two of these, usually a lead magnet and a launch, and they're working well organically, then you're ready for ads. And if you want more specifics to answer this question, is my business ready to profit more from ads? Well, just keep on listening. So, a lead magnet, this is why it matters. A lead magnet proves that you can attract and convert strangers into email subscribers. It means that your messaging is already starting to be developed. And if you have a lead magnet that's working, your messaging has been developed. As you know, if you've already had a lead magnet that converts at, here's a stat, you can quote 30% or more than 30% for warm traffic, meaning that more than 30% of the people that visit your opt-in page end up opting in for your free thing. You have probably had to work on that messaging or even decide among multiple lead magnets which one you're going to continue using. You already have a clear audience, you have clearer messaging, and you have people taking action to enter into your business ecosphere. Your clients probably are getting to your lead magnet via social media and or podcasts that you have had yourself or been a guest on, or partnerships, let's say bundles that you're a member of, or even cross promotions where you found someone else that serves your same niche in a complementary, non-competitive way to your business, and you two are cross promoting. However, you're doing it organically, your lead magnet is working. And if it's already working, then you know that you could, provided you have one of these other two components in your business working well, that you could probably start to run Facebook and Instagram ads to your lead magnet and expect it to still work and bring in the right kind of people. This is not an ads silver bullet. This is Facebook and Instagram ads fuel being poured on a fire that is already burning brightly in your business. And that fire is fueled by good messaging and a clear audience. It's the same kind of ingredient that makes the ads work. The next thing that your business will want to have already in place working well, profitably for you, is a repeatable launch system. You need a launch that's already profitable because then that means that your offer, its messaging, I should say, and the funnel that converts people that register for that launch into your offer, be that a membership or one-on-one services or coaching or a coaching program, what have you, you know that this whole launch is converting. It could be a workshop, it could be a webinar, it could be a paid boot camp, it could be a challenge, free or paid. Let me describe to you something because you might be listening and think, QUAY.jo, I'm not even sure that I have a funnel, or what do you mean by a funnel? So I have a discovery call at the time of the recording of this episode that is coming up tomorrow, actually. And this person, I had been introduced to this person, and then they had filled out an intake form and said they have an organic funnel where they launch 2 to 3 times a year. They open their course for people to come in, and it's a workshop launch. They have 1,000 registrants usually. Some show up, some don't, but more than 2%, that number is key for you. More than 2% of the registrants end up converting into their offer, and the launch is profitable. And this happens organically without ads. And to them, I said, Yes, that does sound like a funnel that we could run ads to and actually increase the profitability of that launch for you." So that's what working looks like. You're able to have the launch repeatably, and it reliably brings folks into your email list, first of all. But then a good percentage of those folks show up for the launch, and a good percentage convert into your whatever your offer is, your mid-tier offer, if you will, or your high-ticket offer profitably. All right. In that situation, ads can help amplify the reach of that launch and accelerate your business growth and further extend business profitability. Now, let me tell you how you fit a repeatable, profitable launch together with a lead magnet. And before I do that, though, your biggest challenge is always going to be lowering your cost per lead, bringing in high quality leads. Okay. And if you're having a problem doing so to your lead magnet with Facebook and Instagram ads that you're running yourself, that's where you should download my ad testing cheat code. It's way more valuable than its cost because it shows you and you learn and follow the exact same framework that I use to lower lead costs for clients and bring in high quality leads for them fast, like within 2 weeks. And it's not just information, though it is that. You also get like behind the scenes access. You can see me doing the framework and doing the process in different client accounts. So it's the steps to follow and seeing me execute those steps. Because look, Facebook and Instagram ads, when you're managing them, they're never pretty. And you can see how I kind of roll with the punches because they're unpredictable. So click in the YouTube video description below and you can get the ad testing cheat code. And now back to the episode. You want lead magnet ads and your launch to be like a tick and a tock on a clock. Tick is in between your launch. Now lead magnet ads are on and bringing in leads in a very targeted manner into your email list. And then your emails are nurturing them. Your podcast episodes that you are creating are nurturing them. The case studies of people who you have already served and helped are nurturing them. And when it's time to launch your program again via a webinar or a workshop or a challenge or a bootcamp type thing, then you invite your ever growing email list, new subscribers, into that launch. Okay. If you do this together profitably, organically, in a repeatable fashion, I'm sure you're like smiling because your business is working, you're serving more people. And if you want to continue to serve even more people by expanding your reach, that's where it's a good idea for you to be running Facebook and Instagram ads. I have had the privilege of seeing very successful businesses and being on the back end, back in the first. I'm not talking about running ads for them. I'm talking about when I was just coaching online course creators how to improve their funnels and other areas of their business. I was on the back end of their businesses and hearing lots about them. And this happened for 3.5, maybe 4 years, maybe slightly more than 4 years. I forget the exact, but it's been at least over 70 businesses. And most of them, like above 90%, were running Facebook and Instagram ads. There are a few who have been fortunate enough to put in the hard work consistently as if it were luck. It's not luck to have huge organic followings either on Instagram or the king of social media, YouTube, and their organic funnels are just fueling a highly profitable business. But those are the exceptions. What we usually see and what I have seen has been businesses that were proven organically and then decided to take it to the next level of profit by running in a very calculated way Facebook and Instagram ads. So, the third component to this ads cocktail that will make your already profitable business most likely more profitable would be a low ticket offer. Low ticket offer ads. Now, it matters because low ticket offers are unique in that they can create daily buyers and add those buyers to your email list. And those are the best kind of new email subscribers because they already bought and have thus just begun to experience the value that you offer and the authority that you have in your area of expertise. And it brings in cash flow. It's hard to build a profitable self liquidating offer from scratch. Usually, your business will first have a good solid lead magnet and a predictable launch method to sell your offer profitably before you ever end up having a low ticket offer. But do I see this frequently in businesses that are established and profitable? Yeah, they have low ticket offers. And that happens because if you think about it, let's say you have a mid tier offer that's $597. Well, you're still going to have people who want the solutions that you can provide, but maybe not at that price point because it's out of the price range that they can afford. Well, then you probably will or have already done the homework of seeing what do people really want and what could you break out of a higher ticket course and offer as a lower ticket, $27 offer that still solves a very real problem they have and give them some success, right? We are in the business of helping people. That's what we're here to do. And if we do it right, then we can help them in a profitable way that helps our business grow, helping us therefore reach more people and helping us achieve our own personal goals. Okay. So that's the concept, right? Or logically, before somebody is ready, if you're not to get your course or your program, your main program, maybe there's some other things that they need help with along the way. So in this case, you're not breaking a portion of your course out and selling it at a low ticket price level. Maybe you're just helping somebody with something that they need. For example, do I run Facebook and Instagram ads for established online course creators so they can better provide for their families? Absolutely. Can everybody afford ads management services? No. Should everyone have ads management services? Absolutely not. Some people, you maybe, might want to run your own ads. So, what do you need help with? You probably need help with writing good ad copy. Can I provide templates that have performed the best for my clients over the past handful of years? Absolutely, I can, and I do sell those. Maybe you need help with testing ads. Lots of people do. That's why I have the ad testing cheat code that I just messaged. Maybe you can run ads. Maybe you even are great at writing copy, but you suck at making visuals, or at least you're not sure what kind of visuals would convert, graphics, text on pictures. So that's why I have this 2x ROAS Canva ad template vault, because I've seen what has worked well, because I've had a team who's designed stuff that's worked well and other things that haven't worked so well. And so I bundle those together at a low ticket price point so that you can win. This is what you're doing with a low ticket offer. A self liquidating offer funnel, if you will, is another way to refer to it in your business. And if you have that already working well organically, and you already have a repeatable launch system, or definitely you already have a lead magnet system that's bringing in leads into your email list, then probably, especially if you have those three things going for you, you're a candidate to benefit from Facebook and Instagram ads. Here's a quick checklist, a self assessment, if you will, to see if this makes sense for you. Do you already have a lead magnet that is converting at 30% or above to warm traffic? Do you already have a launch that is repeatedly profitable without ads? If you're smiling really big right now that your launch is working, then yeah, it will probably work with ads too, all right? Do you already have a low ticket offer that sells well organically? Does that low ticket offer have a order bump that's aligned that also sells well? Does it have an upsell? If two or more of these things that I've said are a big yes for you, then you're ready to use this 3 ad system profitably for your business. If not, keep doing the work that I just kind of overviewed earlier in this episode so that you can grow your business organically before layering in ads, okay? And so, like, yeah, my most successful clients and long-termist clients, longest standing clients, they do have at least 2 of those in their business. And it's usually the lead magnet and the launch, if not 3 of those, including this self-liquidating offer in their business running, powered by Facebook and Instagram ads. And that's the beauty. That's the beauty of this 3 ad system and the profit that comes in and the increased reach that can happen for your business and does happen for some of my clients with those 3 kind of ads running, if not just the two kind, lead magnet and a repeatable launch system, and ads power both of those. So if you have these three and you're like, QUÄY.jo, it's working organically. In fact, I might be even managing my own ads already, QUÄY.jo, but I just don't want to manage my own ads anymore so I can show up 100% in my business and do something that only I can do. QUÄY.jo, is there a way to work with you? Well, there is. In the YouTube description below, you can click on this link and fill out my ads management intake form and hop on a discovery call with me. We will see how well your business is already prepared for ads, and we can discuss what ads management would look like. And if you're like, QUÄY.jo, I would love to learn a little more about how to run successful Facebook and Instagram ads, well, there's a link right there. You can click on that link and you can enjoy yourself a playlist of Facebook and Instagram ads videos by me